Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can simultaneously move multiple designs into a folder on the Canva mobile. So here, after you open your Canva apps, you just need to go to your projects here. Click on projects at the bottom. Okay, just wait and scroll down. So this is my designs, and if you want to move it more than one design into a folder, you can just click on this box or select the designs that you want to move, like this. For example, I want to move this tree, and after that just click on this folder icon, move to folder and choose the folder that you want, for example this one, and click on move to folder. So Canva will move your items or your designs now, and just like that, when you open the folder, the designs that I chose before is there. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.